What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here with another DIY motorcycle hack. Today I'm going to show you how with 5 minutes and $5 you can transform your taillight from this into this. Alright, getting ready to clean and tint the taillight on my 2010 Stratoliner Deluxe. I've got this red taillight tint film, and I've got some rubbing alcohol, a nice microfiber towel, and our handy dandy heat gun. So basically just clean, apply, squeegee down, and then trim off the excess. Alright, so we got some rubbing alcohol on here, just giving a quick wipe down and getting all the dirt and dust and grime and fingerprints, oils off with that. Alright, so I've got this roughly trimmed to a relative semblance of the shape of the taillight, and that's kind of how it's going to look once we're done. Pretty cool. I definitely like the look of that with all the red, a little bit more red, and it'll contrast nicely with the red LED lights I've got under the tank. Alright, so basically peeled the backing off and just kind of went around, tried to squeegee it in place as straight as I could, and hit it with a little heat when you have some problem areas like that. And then I'm going to trim around it with the X-Acto knife and peel the protective layer off and probably squeegee it down just a little bit more. And overall, I think it went down pretty flat. A couple of these bubbles are from the protectant film, and so hopefully they will disappear as soon as we get that off. But man, that's looking sharp. All right, now with the edge of my squeegee, I'm just gonna press down the overlap kind of into that groove. Get it all nice and pushed into place, and that really should about do it. Make it all nice and pretty. This little bottom edge down here is gonna be a little tricky, but we'll probably just hit that with a little bit of heat and it should be in good shape. Alright, let's go for the final peel. Moment of truth. That is beautiful. I love it. Wow. Changes the whole look of the back of this bike. That's awesome. Oh my goodness, I love it. You know, I thought it was going to be good, but wow. And let's see, here's the paperwork. Cost a total of $4.72, and I've got all this material left over. So, what else can we tint? Good stuff. Alright, I gotta say, for less than $5, that's gotta be my new favorite mod for the Stratoliner. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to give us a comment and hit that like button. Tell us in the comments if this is something that you'd like to do with your motorcycle. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next time, ride fast, play hard. I'll see you then.